Top 9 Ways Your Modern Lifestyle is Impacting Your Digestive Health. Hack your gut health. Modern lifestyle can have both positive and negative impacts on gastrointestinal (GI) health. Here's a look at how various aspects of modern living can affect GI health. Dietary changes. The shift towards processed foods, high sugar intake, and low fiber consumption in modern diets can contribute to digestive issues such as constipation, diarrhea, and inflammatory bowel diseases (IBD). Poor dietary habits can also lead to weight gain and increase the risk of conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, and colorectal cancer. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity is associated with sluggish digestion and can contribute to conditions like constipation and bloating. Regular exercise helps stimulate bowel movements and promotes overall digestive health. Stress and anxiety. Modern life often brings high levels of stress and anxiety, which can negatively impact GI function. Stress can lead to symptoms such as abdominal pain, diarrhea, and exacerbation of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and inflammatory bowel disease (IBD). Irregular eating patterns, busy schedules, and irregular eating habits, such as skipping meals or eating late at night, can disrupt the body's natural digestive rhythms. Consistent meal times and balanced meals can help maintain optimal digestion. Excessive alcohol and caffeine. Overconsumption of alcohol and caffeine, common in modern lifestyles, can irritate the GI tract and exacerbate symptoms of acid reflux, gastritis, and ulcers. Moderation is key to minimizing negative effects on GI health. Hydration. Inadequate hydration is a common issue in modern life and can lead to constipation and dehydration, both of which can affect GI function. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Antibiotic overuse. Antibiotics are commonly prescribed for various infections, but their overuse can disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut, leading to conditions like antibiotic-associated diarrhea and increased susceptibility to gastrointestinal infections. Screen time. Excessive screen time, particularly before bedtime, is associated with poor sleep quality and disrupted circadian rhythms. These disruptions can affect GI health by altering hormonal regulation of digestion and increasing the risk of conditions like acid reflux. Environmental factors. Exposure to environmental pollutants, pesticides, and food additives may impact GI health by disrupting the gut microbiota and triggering inflammation. Choosing organic and minimally processed foods can help reduce exposure to harmful substances. Overall, maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, adequate hydration, and mindful consumption of alcohol and caffeine is crucial for promoting optimal gastrointestinal health in the modern world. Additionally, seeking medical advice for persistent digestive symptoms or concerns is important for timely diagnosis and treatment of underlying conditions. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.